as crocheters, we have to plan ahead because some of our projects may take up more time than we originally think. And so even though I'm enjoying the beautiful summer sunshine right now, we do have to think ahead to, let's say, Thanksgiving. So I have gathered some adorable turkey crochet patterns for you, and the best part is they're all free. So let's take a look. I'm Fabi Crochet. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Thanksgiving turkey patterns. And I made a little collage of all the patterns, or some of the patterns that we're going to talk about. These are all free crochet patterns. So get your Thanksgiving cap on and get crocheting for these lovely crochet turkeys. Mug cozy, big eyes, little waddle, gorgeous. And the wreath, I have a whole separate video about wreaths. Check that out if you kind of into that. This is a little table decoration, I suppose, or just on the shelf. Little granny square type of feathery turkey. Very cute. And this is an adorable one. I love the little punky hair and the shape of the body, and the feathers are just beautiful. So cute. And these little coasters are adorable as well. Oh, you can use them as coasters, but you can also hang them. There's a little loop there, so you can stick a magnet on the back and put them on your fridge. These are very versatile. You can use them as gift tags, placing tags for the Thanksgiving dinner table. That you can use them in any way you want. The little beak and waddle are sewn on there, as are the eyes, little felt probably. And I have to say, I like the possibilities of using the same colors but in different sort of combinations. And you get a completely different result. It's so fun. Another coaster slash, I'm not sure what it is, but it's a nice hanging thing with the little turkey, and some, I think this is sort of a googly eye type of thing, and layered feathers. A great idea. And a turkey hat has to be included in this whole package of turkey patterns. Adorable, these feathers sticking right up, and the little, well, hairs, I suppose. Are adorable too. Button eyes, very cute. And of course the ear flap. I love ear flap hats, they're adorable. Mr. Turkey looking his best with the pilgrim's hat on there. I love the elaborate show of feathers there. Gorgeous colors, very nice. Oh, another turkey hat, big eyes again. And this is with sort of crinkly, curly feathers on top and a little trim around the edge for extra, well, color, I suppose. Very nice. And this is a little finger puppet. So you can stick your fingers through there from the back to the front, and then you can make this little turkey walk and talk. Little googly eyes, lovely colorful feathers, and it's fun for the whole family. Another turkey hat, completely different kind, this one. I love the little feet that are dangling from these straps that you can sort of bind under your face to keep the hat on. This turkey looks a little baffled. I'm not exactly sure why. Maybe he just had a haircut he doesn't really like. It is quite adorable though. I love the colorful feathers on top, and it's very cute. There's another little guy. I think this is one. We're coming into amigurumi country now, and that's always fun. So fun, sort of pointy feathers in the back, and a little sitting turkey. Not completely only amigurumi, so this is a flat one, so sort of an applique you can use as a coaster or just as decor. Very simple to do. I love the simple waddle here with the 3 stitches and the little beak there. The feathers are sewn on. It's cute. Another amigurumi. This one actually sort of turns his head towards you, looking up. It's quite adorable. Very nice. And these are hilarious. Oh, very simple, work up very quickly, stick them on a present you want to give someone around Thanksgiving time, and call it a day, I'd say. And the little hand turkey, I love the little pilgrim hat, and the sort of fingers in colorful colors. This is a fat turkey, this one is ready for Thanksgiving. Oh, and it has a beautiful set of feathers. This is so cute. I like this one with the little, again with the feathers and a little waddle. He looks a bit sad, but you can, it depends on how you embroider those eyes, I suppose. But there's nothing wrong with a sad looking turkey. And Turkey and his pilgrim friends as what are they called? Pan holders? Or what do you call them? I don't know exactly. But, you know, for kitchen, for grabbing hot pans and pots. Very nice. And another amigurumi one, almost like a peacock with these gorgeous colors. Adorable. And a little fat, fat one. Oh god, it's adorable. Look at the little waddle. How cute is that? And this is sort of a basket. A sort of, you can put some, I don't know, decor in there. Nice smelling, like full scented stuff. Or some goodies for people who are coming over. Just some chocolates or some nice candy stuff. Whatever you want. It's always nice to have a little basket that fits into the decor theme. Another pot holder, little googly eyes there, and a little waddle again. It's adorable. And another wreath. Again, this one is also featured in my wreath video of fall wreaths. Check that out if you're interested. I love the look on this face with his little punk hair and punk cool feathers. And that's it for these free, remember they're free crochet patterns of Thanksgiving turkeys. I hope you have a great time preparing for Thanksgiving and for fall. And I hope these patterns that I collect for you can be of little help in that. And so I wish you happy crocheting. I will show you some adorable crochet turkey. Oh, why doesn't this work? And so even though I'm enjoying this beautiful sun on this summer afternoon, why is this not working? Oh.